Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today for quick and easy meals, it's going to be happening once a month. We're going to be having a special edition. So this month is the one pot challenge meal. So I'm going to make rice with chicken wings in the same pot. You can accompany this with beans on the side if you like. I'm going to accompany with avocado. Yes, I do have an avocado. Yes, it looks yellow. See how you get this? Nice color. And you could hear the pit. I put it, you gotta put it either in a paper bag or you buy a green, like you don't buy a spoiled one. This is a trick that I learned from my mama. And then you put it in a small place. There's no cold going in because, we have the air conditions on. So like right now I do have my zucchini. So this is nice and ready for me I like to eat mine soft because I like to just cook in a little bit, not a lot. So I put it in there. I also put my mango in there. I already ate my mango. So we're going to have this with the rice. But anyway, guys, this is the one pot challenge meal. And this is quick and easy meals. And this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Or she could be using her other channel, Simply Grace Lifestyle Living. And also Jean Home Decor and more. Myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living. And I believe Miss Debbie Bubble, it is hosting with us on this one. I am not sure, but if she is, hey, welcome. And if you like to host with us, let us know. Guys, I am sending invitation for quick and easy meals through Messenger and Instagram. So please check your messages and Instagram. And if you want to participate, let me know. You will be added to the flyer as a co-host just for one-time thing, one-time deal. Or if you want to stay co-hosting with us, let us know. But please answer me because I sent some amount of invitation and I stopped sending thinking that I'm going to reply back. So just answer it. It's either a yes or no. Believe me, you say no, I won't be angry. I will not stop following you. I'm still going to go and watch your videos because you guys always watch my videos. Anyways, I'm going to cut, I really don't have to use this onion because there's onion, there's peppers, and there's everything here. But I have this little piece of onion, so I'm going to chop it up to add it to my rice for extra flavor. I'm also going to be using, I can never remember the name of it, but I always use it because it's delicious. This is, oh Lord. You guys know what this is. You guys know what this is. It gives the food such a delicious flavor. And also I have my own home spices. So I just got this one from my plant. And I also have some dry ones. So it's oregano, but it's Spanish oregano. In Puerto Rico, we call it oregano de bruja. But yeah, it is so good, guys. I don't know why they gave it that name, but yeah, it's oregano. So I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to chop my stuff here. I'm going to put my spices I'm going to be using my frying pan. So yeah, guys, I will be right back. Let me get ready. Okay, the reason why I cut my stuff and I don't let you see me cutting because I don't want you to get bored seeing me chopping vegetables and onions and stuff. Everybody knows how to chop vegetables. So I also have a garlic head here. I also got garlic powder, but I want to use the fresh garlic because I want this rice to be the bomb. I'm craving it and that's what I want. So, not that when I cook it's not the bomb, but I want that extra flavor. When you really want to eat something. So that's what I'm doing, guys. And also my husband been craving also this rice It's like you have not made yellow rice mixed with or chicken rice, however you guys call it. So I figure, I say, okay, I'll do it today. So we got the avocado 2 days ago. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this garlic. I'm going to chop it up in little pieces. And once I do that, I want to use at least six garlic cloves, and I'm going to chop them, and then we're going to continue from there, guys. All right, in my frying pan, I have but a tablespoon of oil, because remember, guys, the wings will release grease, and you don't want your rice to be really greasy. So we're going to start with garlic, some onions, and some of the cilantro. There you go. Now I remember cilantro. And yes, guys, I called my husband and asked him he wants beans on the side, so I will be putting that on the beans. So you're going to saute that a little bit. We're going to be putting that there as well. I do have some more of this, guys, so I want to add a little bit of olive oil, not too much, just a touch. And remember, guys, they have the olive oil that I say, they have the cooking one, and they also have one for frying. So I'm using the cooking one. So I add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And with that being said, yes, guys, you guys know me. Chicken wings, they're still frozen, but it's not a big deal. You guys see. Let's see how many do we have here. 2, 4. They're all 4, 6. Yeah. They're all going in, guys. They're all going in. So I will put that in there. That's going to salt it a little bit. I'm going to let that get thawed out. And then I'm going to cover this. Put it on low until the wings get thawed. And then I will add the rest of my spices, which I still need to add black pepper. I have my sazon. I have my, basically, Mrs. Dash. So, yeah, guys. And I gotta get my rice and wash it. Remember, guys, when you make rice, when you use rice from the bag, you buy the big white rice, wash your rice. I never said enough, wash your rice. All right, guys. So, let's continue. All right, guys, I added my spices. I added bay leaf. I added green olives. I'm going to add some cooking wine. Yeah, guys. Yep. You guys never see me cooking with cooking wine, but I'm adding a little bit of cooking wine for extra flavor. Oh, this is going to be delicious. Yes, ma'am. Stir a little bit. Oh, yes. Even though for me to cook with wine, I use any wine. I use regular drinking wine. Doesn't matter to me. Taste for flavor. Oh, delicious, magnificent. All right. I'm going to wash my rice. I have, okay, I didn't measure it with a measuring cup, but I use two of these. So this is enough for my husband and I, and for him to take tomorrow for lunch for work. So that's what we're doing. So let me wash my rice. Let me clean my mess a little bit. And yes, my husband wants beans, so I'm going to start beans on the side. Even though my one pot meal is this, because this is what I'm going to have with my avocado. All right, guys, let's continue. Guys, this is what my rice is looking like. I just finished adding the rice in there. After I wash my rice, I add it in there. I stir really good. So now I'm going to put it like around medium flame, and I'm going to cover it for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Then I will check, I stir it, and then I'll let you how long it have to go. Guys, I usually love cooking with medium grain rice, and again this month I checked for medium grain rice, the one that I like to buy, and it was $22 for a 20-pound bag. I said no. So you guys know that a 20-pound bag of rice lasts me for at least 2 to 3 months, because I don't cook rice every day. So I put my rice in this can. So this is halfway. And a lot of you guys gonna be like, oh, but a lot of people buy rice and they get bugs because they keep it for so long. My rice doesn't get bugs. You know why my rice doesn't get bugs? This is the trick. You guys know what this is? Bay leaf. I add bay leaf on my rice. I put half, I add like 5 bay leaf. I add more rice, and I add more bay leaf. It keeps it fresh. It doesn't get any bugs. And I have 2 cans. I have this one, and I have the other one over there. So what I do is, after I fill it up, since I have 2 and they last me for, like I said, for so long, what I do is the one that I'm not going to be using, I take clear tape and I tape it, and I leave it there. And then I use one, then I bring the other one forward, and I start using the other one. But meanwhile, when I already started using the other one, I'll buy another bag of rice, because I like to have rice on stock, because you never know what can happen. And believe me, even if you have rice, you won't go hungry. So just have that in mind. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get my beans started, because my hubby is going to be coming home at 2:30 and it's already 2:06. So we have to have dinner ready for him. All right, guys, I'll be right back. This is what my rice is looking like. Remember, guys, I always tell you, don't add too much water to your rice, because it will be all smushy. And I don't know about you, but I don't like eating smushy rice. I like my rice to be nice and, you know, grainy, cooked, but not smushy. So now the water is or evaporated, or the liquid. Because remember, I didn't put a lot of water in there, because the chicken was frozen, and when the chicken thaws out, you're gonna release some liquid. So what I'm going to do now is, this is all the water that I'm going to add. I'm going to turn it completely on low and let it steam. Then I will come back and check it. Meanwhile, I'm making green pigeon peas. I'm not making beans. I'm making green pigeon peas on the side. And I added all my vegetables. And yes, the peas are frozen, because I had them in the freezer. I cannot use the whole can, because that's too much for me and my husband. So that's half a can, which I put in these little containers. Every time I open one, I use half and I freeze the other one. So we're gonna wait for that to cook. I added my spices, garlic, sofrito. I chopped the potato in little pieces. I added in there, so I'm going to let that cook, and then I'm gonna bring you guys back. Well, guys, I believe we are done. I turn off the chicken. The gandules, I turn them off. I'm telling you, it's a confusion every time I gotta mention that in English. And the rice, here it is. Oh, guys, and also be aware that in this recipe, in this rice, I didn't use nothing with salt. So if you want to add a little bit of salt, it's up to you. But I didn't want to use any salt. I just wanted a lot of full of flavor with natural flavors, because sometimes we are salt for flavor, but salt, it might be a flavor enhancement when you don't use spices. So you want to use more spices than salt, so you get actually a benefit from it, from all the spices. And you don't consume that much salt. Salt gives you high blood pressure. It's not good for people that suffer from diabetes. I mean, it makes you bloated because it makes you water retain fluids. So try to eliminate salt out of your lifestyle, guys. It's very rare that I use salt. So I believe my rice is done. And remember, guys, I told you how much rice I use. It's plenty of rice. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to serve my meal because I am hungry. My husband has to not gone home from work. So he'll be home soon. So guys, let me show you the final reveal. All right. So I'll be right back. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Here is my meal, my 1-pot meal. There's my rice with my chicken, my avocado, and on the side, of course, a little bit of chickpeas. So guys, let's give it a taste test. Remember, no salt, nothing but all spices. So delicious. Let me leave it like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.